Cult leader Roy Masters leaves his body and kills people. His followers practicing his cult meditation exercise are being prepared as a vehicle for the beast to operate through. When the beast comes, Roy Masters will abandon his followers and let the beast operate through them. The conflict you feel when listening to cult leader Roy Masters can be easily cured by making a decision not to practice his mind control cult meditation exercise and give your life over to him. And don't listen to his show. Roy Masters' children hold no special position above any of the other meditators. They will also end up in the darkness when they die, marked so they can be easily found and punished for what they did. Roy Masters is just using his followers to take the blame while he gets away scot-free. There are about a dozen or so others like Roy Masters who remain nameless and hidden in the background. They watch every interaction Roy Masters has with people and take revenge on anyone that pisses off Roy Masters. There is no divine revenge. They are the ones helping to build other facets of his church, full of snakes. They are the ones causing problems in his listeners. If they didn't have problems, they wouldn't practice his mind control cult meditation exercise.